बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। मेरी उन तमाम दोस्तों से गुजारिश है कि जिन्होंने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है वो चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि आने वाली तमाम वीडियोस आप तक पहुंच सके। थैंक यू।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। पैराग्राफ नंबर 11। Islamabad: as the National Command and Operations Center on COVID-19 has finalized recommendations to further ease restrictions, the medical fraternity seems divided over the federal government's proposal, with the number of deaths rising to 40 in a single day, full stop. As per a statement of the Ministry of National Health Services, the recommendations include the opening of second phase of construction sector, reopening of retail outlets, and operationalization of selective outpatients departments in hospitals of Islamabad, full stop. New paragraph. It has been suggested that shops/malls should remain open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and then from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. full stop. However, some doctors fear that relaxing the lockdown will be disastrous for the country, full stop. Others believe Pakistan has no option but to revive economic activities to protect the masses from hunger virus, full stop. While talking to Dawn, Dr. Javed Akram, the Vice Chancellor of the University of Health Sciences, said he was in favor of restrictions, but as the government looked at it with different angles, he would suggest that the lockdown be relaxed with an increase in number of tests, full stop. There is no doubt that daily wage earners and other segments of society have been suffering with economic issues, full stop. New paragraph. Prime Minister Imran Khan has said a number of times that he has to care about the poor, full stop. Pakistan is not a rich country and the issue is not going to be addressed in a short time, full stop. So I suggest that we should relax the lockdown, but the number of tests should be increased, full stop. Currently, Al Khidmat Foundation has been doing tests for rupees 3,000 and Bahria Town is conducting tests for just rupees 2,000, full stop. The government should involve philanthropists and reduce the charges of tests, he added, full stop. Dr. Akram explained that in South Korea, companies were involved, by the government, to test the masses and suggested that in Pakistan, it should be made mandatory that every organization should pay for the test of suspected employees, full stop. New paragraph. Health system may collapse. However, President of the Young Consultants Association of Pakistan, Dr. Asfandyar Khan disagreed with the proposal, full stop. He said, I am shocked to hear that a recommendation has been given to open OPDs and shopping malls, full stop. I fear that it will increase the number of patients manifold and the health system may collapse, full stop. We are living in a country where even doctors are not getting ventilators, full stop. One should imagine what will be the situation after relaxing the restrictions, full stop. To me, the decision or proposal is disastrous and it should be reconsidered, full stop. New paragraph. Dr. Khan said the lockdown should be extended for at least 2 weeks, full stop. He said restrictions could be relaxed once the curve of COVID-19 cases started flattening, full stop. Microbiologist Professor Dr. Javed Usman, while sharing his opinion with Dawn, said mostly people didn't have the tendency to obey orders and adhere to rules as they usually did in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates. So things would worsen in the coming days, full stop. Prime Minister Imran Khan has been talking about the poor people and the argument being given is that coronavirus kills 2% people, but hunger can kill 100% people, comma, he said, full stop. New paragraph. Being a health professional, comma, Dr. Usman said, comma, he believed that the government must wait for the flattening of curve, full stop. But as Federal Minister Asad Umar had said that 18 million people could lose jobs and up to 70 million people might be pushed below the poverty line due to coronavirus, comma, the logic of the government could not be ignored, comma, he said, full stop. In the United Kingdom, comma, he said, comma, a term herd immunity was introduced for coronavirus and it was decided not to close schools, but the move failed due to unexpected number of fatalities, full stop. Resultantly, comma, he added, comma, the UK had to close educational institutions, full stop. New paragraph. Pakistan Medical Association Secretary General Dr. Kaisar Sajjad told Dawn that the problems and number of coronavirus cases would increase if the recommendations were implemented, but it seemed the government was left with no choice after failing to enforce proper lockdown in time, full stop. On January 22nd, the PMA had suggested to enforce complete lockdown across the country, but unfortunately, the federal and provincial governments were not on the same page, full stop. If proper lockdown had been enforced in January, today we would have been in a better position to relax the restrictions, he claimed, full stop. New paragraph. He said according to the World Health Organization recommendations, comma, the lockdown should be relaxed after flattening the curve, full stop. Our cases and number of deaths are continuously increasing, comma. He added, full stop. Dr. Sajjad said the situation had worsened so much that the government had to go either for the eradication of coronavirus or hunger virus, full stop. He said, colon, I can assume that the traders do most of the business in Ramazan, and there would be immense pressure on the government to relax restrictions, full stop. Meanwhile, comma, according to NCOC data, comma, 1049 cases of COVID-19 were reported on May 5, and as many as 40 persons died, full stop.